We've only seen 2 major winter storms so far this season. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Kelly Reardon is live in Chicopee tonight to explain how tomorrow's storm will measure up against previous ones.
That's right, roads will soon become snow and ice covered once again across western Massachusetts. But there haven't been many instances of hazardous winter weather so far this season, at least compared to normal. We've only seen 19.5 inches of snow so far this season. In December and January alone, we typically pick up a total of nearly 24 inches. February usually sees an additional 12.8 inches. In all, we normally average just under 50 inches of snow all season long. And even though we've had a relatively quiet winter, some local residents still are not ready to deal with the snow and ice again.
Terrifying. I really don't like going to work. I usually call off if it's like that. And on my way to work, there's a lot of potholes.
And get ready for impacts to the Tuesday evening and Wednesday morning commute due to that risk of icing and snow accumulation. And as usual, the risk depends where in the Pioneer Valley or the hills you are. But at least we can look forward to a warm up later this week to the 40s. Live in Chicopee, I'm 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Kelly Reardon.